Happy Sunday, beautiful people. Happy Sunday. Happy Memorial Day weekend. Wanted to jump on here with a quick little vlog. I usually like to start it on a Friday, but it is what it is. I just got finished attending church online and attending church virtually, I should say, which I still get dressed. I don't know if you guys do or not. It does affect your mental. Just like when they say, you know, if you go, like I worked from home years and years and years, and I will always dress up as if I was at work, business casual, as if I was going into work, because it does affect how your professionalism. And same with church. You don't want to just have on night clothes just because you're attending at home. But anyway, who am I preaching to? I'm preaching just like I was saying to my pastor, say that. Who is going to church virtually today? Let me know in the comments. But yeah, so in today's vlog, we're going to talk about these locks in this hair. Are new to the Not Just Hair by wIJb, I appreciate you for stopping by my channel. There's loads and loads, tons and tons of videos uploaded on the daily, on the hourly, on the minute, a lot, right? But you checked out my channel, and if you've been here more than once, I hope you consider subscribing to the channel. It's free. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become part of the community, because I don't just talk about hair. That's why it's called Not Just Hair, but I am in this video going to talk about my locks. So I get a lot of compliments all the time, right? These locks. And I did a short, you may have already seen it. And if you did, I appreciate the likes and all of that. But yeah, when you're rocking faux locks, you do have to maintain them. And this is kind of like I'm just going to talk about what I do. And so on the short video, you saw it already, that I do take them out. I do wash my hair. I love on my hair. And I wash my locks and I reinstall them. And I'm on to wearing them another like 4 to 6 weeks, you know. And that's what we're going to talk about. And so these, if you haven't checked out the short that I'm talking about, please check it out after this video. But for right now, I wash my locks, I wash my hair, and this is the process. Now, the locks are from Amazon, and I will leave everything linked to my Amazon storefront. So one of the things I want to preface and start by saying before I really get into what I use to wash my faux locks is that all locks are not created equal. They're just not. There are some that are more apt to get tangled quick, and then there are some that are too thin. There are some are just, there's all kinds, but these I'm in love with. If you've been checking out any of my shorts, and I keep promoting my shorts because I appreciate the love I'm getting on my short videos, is that, you know, I color the locks. As you can see, these are the 1B27. And so they naturally have this highlight, but on the ends I've colored them. I colored them like a gold color. Like it's really like a blonde, but I call it gold. But here it's with a hair paint wax. It's very, very popular. It was trending like 2-3 years ago. But it's still a thing, because if you want temporary color for like faux locks, it's the best because it will wash out. So for these, I like them because there's minimal tangling. I've washed them, and now they're back to how they came originally. Now I'm going to color them again because I really did like that red color. I liked it a lot. But the color that if you saw that short, the color that I used, it was hard to apply because it had an applicator. Like it was really, I guess, for straight hair, but I managed to get it in, but it bled a little bit on my clothing, and I wear a lot of white, and it was getting on my white stuff. It did wash out, which was a good thing, but I'm trying another hair paint wax without an applicator, and I'll be able to manage how much goes on my on the bunches. I'm gonna bunch my hair in 3s like I typically do. And the second thing I would want to say is that upon making sure you get the right locks, the less tangled locks, then wash them in whatever you choose to wash them. I'm not going to tell anybody. I use Pantene because I like how Pantene smells. Let me smell. Oh my gosh. And I actually didn't wash them. I co-washed them. I just used conditioner. I felt like a good co-washing to rinse out the color that was in these locks was all that I needed. And they were restored back to, and they're not tangly. They look like I just got them brand new out the package. So use whatever conditioner, wash however. I'm just telling you what I did. Also, I use the t-shirt. Now, t-shirt method of drying your hair is very popular in the natural hair community because it minimizes your tresses being tangled like it would being caught up in a towel. You never dry your locks or your hair, your mane, okay, with a towel. So I use that and use that method of just t-shirt drying like I would my natural hair, like I did my natural hair. I also towel dried my locks to prevent tangling or anything, and that's why they look the way they look. Lastly, air dry your locks. Let them air dry, or you can blow dry them. Because if you have somewhere to go and you don't like, because I towel dry them with a t-shirt, a lot of the moisture was gone. They was just pretty much lightly damp, if that's a thing. But you can put some heat to it and let them dry that way, or just let them air dry overnight, however you want to do it. As you guys know, I have fine to medium density hair. You saw the video. And so that means, my hair is not thick, and it's like 4AB hair. And I wanted to, every 4 to 6 weeks, this is what I do. I want to wash my own hair. I want to grease my scalp. I want to deep condition. I want to do a leave-in. If I find that after a while, because I think I've been rocking these since December off and on. And I think this is like my third set. So, but they still last. It's just a preference thing. And sometimes, it's what, $25? Yeah, it's worth it. I do want to acknowledge some people who want my attention, because there are people who come by and they like up my videos, and I don't have my likes displayed for a reason. I want you to focus on my content, and then they'll turn around after liking my video and remove their likes. I see you, and you want this attention. You're getting it right now, because I'm not giving it to you anymore. It's just that what God has for me is for me. Any YouTuber or content creator, your subscriber count will go up and down, your likes will go up and down, and I acknowledge that. It's just funny to me. I'm a small channel, I'm growing, and you're gonna like content only to take it away. It's funny to me. Don't you have something to do? This is not the color red that I wanted, but I went ahead and got it because I like the way that it comes in a paste, that I can put it on my hair in this way. That's how all the ones that I've had in the past, except for one other color, that was the fiery red. It had an applicator, which is a no-go for locks. But this, I like to be able to scoop it out and apply it. It took less than 10 minutes, you guys. And then I'm going to actually lock in the color by blow drying it, which you'll see that in the next clip. When I tell you this color it smells good, you guys. All of them tend to have a very good, like a perfumey scent to it. And it goes on super easy, and it washes out, you guys. You wasn't with me waking up. Now you said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. Okay, so I went ahead and filmed this short with my hair with this raspberry red. And since then, I've actually changed it to a strawberry blonde, and you'll see that. But this was already scheduled to do this short, so I kept on going. Happy Memorial Day. Well, it's ending soon. This is the movie inspo. If you saw my shorts video, I did a look that I'm going to the movies in. I got to meet up with people, but this is the hair, though. The strawberry blonde. That's what I'm calling it. You saw it, and I inserted it. It was not it, and I had to go to work. First thing, Memorial Day. Allow me to define go to work. When I say go to work, I mean on this hair. I was off just like most Americans. I'm talking about I had to go in with the blonde. I had to dry it. And then I went back in with the red to create this strawberry blonde that you're seeing here. But this is more, I like it so much better. Listen, even in my short that I did, the movie inspo look, which included these locks, of course, included this color, but they were darker, deeper, and more of a raspberry color, and it was not giving what I wanted it to give. So I went to work, and this is more fitting. So happy Memorial. I hope you guys had a wonderful Memorial Day. Let me tell you something. If you haven't tried hair pink wax, if you have locks, I don't care what kind of hair you have, it's good. Try it out. Let me know. I will leave my links in my storefront down below if you want to switch it up and get cute, get it popping, get a little, what's the word? I guess a little sash, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, just check it out. I will leave, like I said, the link is down below to my storefront. Let me know if you're a creator. Tag me in your video and or comment below. Let me know how you feel about it. And again, I hope you had a wonderful long weekend, and I will see you beautiful people in the next video.